All right, 8th graders, we're going to go through the notes from lesson 6.5, which is on the point-slope equation, okay? The point-slope equation is the answer to any question where it says, write an equation when you're given 2 points, okay? If you're given 2 points, or maybe you're given a graph and you can find the coordinates of 2 points, you're going to use this formula to write the equation. Will?
Okay. Another question on our assignment for number 1 is you use that problem where it's like y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Just wondering. You use the same y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1.
Yes. Yep. That's the slope formula for those. Okay. Now, let's look at this equation. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? The first thing you'll need to find is the slope. If you're given 2 points on a line, or if you're given a line on the equation, you can find the slope. You have to use the slope formula. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. It's always the change in y over the change in x, right? You with me so far? Okay. Now, let's look at this example. 0, 2 is 1 point. 1, 4 is the other point.
Is that problem?
So the slope is
that problem
2 over 1. Yes. Yep. The slope is 2 over 1, right? We're going to use that right here in our equation. Now, we use the equation, we use m, which we found, and we choose one of these points to use to put it into that formula. Those are going to be the y1 and the x1 points. So, in this case, we chose 0, 2 in our formula. See, we use 0, 2 right here and right here. Y minus y1. Crosby? Look. Just follow along quickly. y2 minus y1 equals 2, which we found, times x minus, and then 0 is the x1 point. The x1 coordinate, okay? Then we have to simplify it. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 0, that's just gone. That's why it's nice to use one of the points with 0 in it. It'll make it easier to simplify. So then y minus 2, in order to get the y by itself, we have to add 2 to both sides. And then what form does our equation end up in? Yeah, what form is that?
Standard.
No.
Slope.
Slope.
Slope-intercept.
Intercept. And that's the easiest one to graph, is the slope-intercept form, isn't it? Yeah, because you just mark 2 on the y-axis, mark the y-intercept, and then go up 2 over 1. Mark the next point, draw your line. Slope-intercept form is the easiest to graph then. Okay? So that's how you use the point-slope equation. Find the slope, use that equation, use the coordinates from one of the points, and then simplify it and write it into slope-intercept form. Okay? Yep.